Hey guys, I'm going to quickly show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using Canva.com. Let's go.
So you want to make a cool YouTube channel thumbnail? Here we go. Canva.com. Type in YouTube thumbnail. Now, you can either pre-select and edit one of the ones on here. There are so many templates to go from. Or you can start by doing your own. Create a blank. This is one of my favorite ones. So let me show you how I go from here. Okay, so far I changed the background, I changed the fonts, and I've uploaded a picture. Not done yet. Add an enticing measure, and now I'm ready to go. There's my YouTube thumbnail for my next YouTube video. Okay, I modified it a little bit more, but there you go. Type in the comments if you have any questions. Follow me for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and share.